All right, YouTube, we're going to be changing out an ABS wheel speed sensor on a 2018 Jeep Renegade. This is the Latitude Edition. So first, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to jack your car up and take off your tire and rim. What you want to do is you're going to remove this nut right here, this nut right here, and then right down here there will be a bolt that goes through here. So you're going to remove that so you can just open this splash guard up right here. And then what we're going to do is the actual sensor runs up behind here. All right, so now what you're going to do is just pull the actual splash guard down, and you have access right back here. That is your connection point right there for your ABS wheel speed sensor. So what we're going to do is we're going to get down behind here, and we're going to take out the bolt that is located right here, and I'll get a light on there so you can see it a little bit better. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to remove this bolt right here. That's going to be a 5mm. It's an Allen head, and so that's what you're going to be using. So go ahead and remove this bolt. All right, so the next thing that we're going to do is go ahead and pull out the actual sensor itself. So go ahead and let me get this a little closer for you. So we're going to go ahead and just grab this here, and we're going to pull straight out on it, just like this. Okay, might have to wiggle it back and forth, and there you go. And so this is what it's going to look like. All right, so the next thing you want to do is you want to match everything up. Make sure that everything looks correct. You do not want them too long or too short, or they will not work. It has to be the exact same. All right, so now at this time we can go ahead and reinstall the sensor back down into the steering knuckle itself. So let's go ahead and slide this down in. And you can't screw it up because your bolt holes will line up, and you just want to make sure that you just slide it all the way in and seat it all the way down until it's flush. Just like that. And so once it's flush, you can go ahead and put the bolt back in and go ahead and cinch that down. All right, so the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go through and we're going to feed the line up to the right location. And then what we're going to do is we'll pop off the first one. So all you're going to do is just pull straight back on it. Okay, the new one is just going to go right in here, and you're going to lock it in. So there's that. And then what we're going to do is we'll just keep on moving up. And then what you're going to do, you're just going to do the same thing here. You're going to pop this one out, just like that. And then the next one will just go right in here. And you'll pop that in there like that. All right, and so if you wanted to gain better access, you can take your splash guard and just pull it back just like this, and then now you've got full access to the rest of the electrical cable. And what you're going to do is this one's going to pop off here, and then you have an electrical connection right up top, which you're going to just push it in, and then you're going to pull up on it and then disconnect the cable. All right, so now on the electrical connection, there's a little tab on the back side here that you're going to be pushing on. Let me see if I can get a better angle on it here. And then what you're going to do is right here, you're pushing down right here and pulling up. All right, so if you're wondering how to get this connector off here, what you're going to do is you're going to, here's the new one. So this actually has a little tab behind here that you're going to push down, and then it slides out. So what you're going to do is get behind here with a screwdriver, and you're going to push it down, or if it goes the other way, and then you slide it down. All right, so that is the end product. That's what it's going to look like right there. All right, so go ahead and put your fender well back in, and go ahead and put your nuts back on here and here. And then don't forget the bottom screw that goes in down here. Okay, so once you're done with that, you're done and completed. So go ahead and put your rim and tire back on. Don't forget to torque your lug nuts. Your lug nuts will be 90 foot-pounds. So I hope this video helped out. Please subscribe and like, and I'll see you on the next one.